Hi friends, this video shows how to install this comfort head strap on MetaQuest 3. See, this is a user manual. See, it has two parts. This is the strap. So this is the second part. This is a top and head sponge. First, we need to connect this sponge to this strap. If you look at the strap here, you can see left marked, and here you can see right side also marked. On this head sponge you can see left and right, here also it's marked. So we have to connect this head sponge to this strap like this. See, then we can just push. See, so we hear this sound, tick sound, that means it's connected. So this way we can connect this head sponge to this strap. Head strap is ready. So let me connect this to MetaQuest 3. We have to remove this strap, then this face interface from this MetaQuest 3. First let me remove this strap. So we can apply some pressure here using thumb. See, do the same thing on other side. See, now strap is removed. Next I am going to remove this face interface. Using two thumbs we can just apply some pressure here. Using two thumbs, just push this direction. Okay, done. So this way we can remove this face interface. Then let me remove this strap. So this is the reason we need to remove this face interface, otherwise we cannot take this strap. Okay, done. Okay, next I am going to connect this comfort strap, head strap. On this strap you can see one hole for audio port and here one for USB port. I am going to connect this strap here on this side where we can see this USB port. So we can start from here. Then press. So we hear this tick sound. So this side done. Now do the same thing on other side. So here also we can start from this side. Then press. Okay, done. So this way we can attach this head strap to this MetaQuest 3. So on back side you can see a knob. This we can rotate and adjust. You can see here you can adjust this length. Just not rotate it. See. So next we need to connect this strap. So that we have to connect here. See, here you can see here we need to connect that strap. Okay, done. Next we need to connect this face interface. So here we can see the nose side. So we can place this face interface like this. Then using two thumbs we can apply some pressure here. Just press. So we hear this tick sound. That means it's connected. do the same thing on other side. Okay, that side also connected. So on back side here we can see one knob. We can rotate this knob and we can adjust this length. Okay, this is done, installation done. We can wear this and test it. Just wear this, then we can adjust this strap, then this knob we can rotate and adjust. Okay, so this way we can install comfort head strap on Metakas 3. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.